Hi, I'm Sam Butcher, principal and founder of Butcher Elder Law. I'd like to speak with you this morning for a few minutes about doing it yourself when it comes to estate planning and why DIY documents just don't measure up. So, when it comes to estate planning, um, there are many considerations. And it requires a thorough approach and a customized approach to make sure that the documents that you are creating are complete, that you have all of the documents that you need, and that the documents you are creating are going to be anchored to your values and provide solutions to some of the challenges and issues you face in planning for your family. Estate planning isn't just about what happens to your stuff when you die. In our firm, we believe estate planning is all about your family. When clients come to us, we ask them to complete a short form that gets us started with the conversation. And on one page of that form, there are 8 items that we ask our clients to rank in order of importance from 1 to 8. Well, almost every single client lists among the top 3 items in order of importance, keeping it simple for my family when something happens. So this is the goal of nearly all of our clients. They want to keep it simple. And how do we do that? How do we avoid chaos? We do that by making sure that, first of all, you have all the documents and that you've chosen helpers, agents, under powers of attorney for healthcare and a general power of attorney for legal, business, and banking matters, as an executor for your estate. If you have a trust-based plan as a successor trustee, that are going to be the right choices for the matter that you're entrusting to them. And to make sure not only have you chosen the proper helpers, but that they have all of the authority that they need to help you, to provide you the most help and the help you need when something happens. Because unfortunately, it's really not a question of if something happens, it's when something happens. Because sooner or later, something is going to happen to all of us. And the planning that we do or fail to do makes every difference in how we can remain in control through the agents and the helpers that we select and by giving them the authority they need. So when you work with us, you are going to come away from the experience with an estate planning binder that includes documents for all of your needs during lifetime and for the orderly and efficient transition of your assets to your loved ones following your death. Every plan we do includes a healthcare power of attorney, a living will, a very robust 20-page general power of attorney. It includes also a last will and testament, and for those who want to avoid probate and or also protect assets, if long-term care is needed and they don't want to become impoverished paying for the long-term care, then we also have trust-based plans, revocable trust and asset protection trusts. So we would be happy to discuss this at greater length with you. And I just want to say one more thing, and that is that we've sat down with clients at times who have attempted to create their own documents by downloading something from the internet. And in more than one case, I've seen documents that wouldn't even satisfy the courts here as a valid last will and testament, just for instance, or a power of attorney that didn't begin to give the authority that an agent needed to really help out an ailing parent who is now unable to sign legal documents. So there's a lot more I could tell you about this. But what I really like to do is meet with you in person and see how we can help you with your elder law and estate planning needs. And all you have to do is give us a call at 440-268-8284 or visit us online at www.butcherelderlaw.com. Thank you.